Today we're going to go over the basic operational functions of an orbital sander. When you receive the machine from Sunbelt Rentals, you want to make sure you have your pad as well as your proper grit sandpaper. To install these items, you want to lay the machine down. Make sure your pad is installed first. Remove the adhesive back from the sandpaper. Plug the machine in a standard 110 outlet. Pull the pin so the machine floats and switch the toggle switch to the on position. If you have any trouble during your job, there's a simple reset button right here that will reset the machine. This is the basic operational functions of an orbital sander.